Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, student, and how are you today? I'm very well, thanks, and I hope all of you in good condition. Okay, student, this is our first meeting in online class, and I will say thank you very much for join in this class, for join my online class, and in this first meeting we will learning about writing. But because this is the first meeting, we will learning about the basic of writing. Yeah, we will introduction to English writing. Why we should learning about writing? Writing is an incredibly powerful tools. Yeah, it lets us share idea, tell stories, and connect with other in profound ways. In this lesson, we will explore the fundamentals of English writing, setting a strong foundation for your writing journey. Yeah. So let's we start with one question. Yeah. Why do we write? Yeah. Why do we write? Writing is more than just putting word on paper. Writing allows us to express our thoughts and feelings, share our unique perspective, and also build bridge with others. We write to inform, persuade, entertain, and reflect. Think about it like scientist writes is very important. Scientists write a research paper to share finding. So novels also writes as gripping tale to transport reader to another world, and a friend writes a letter to share personal news. So writing is essential in academic, the workplace, and our personal life. It's very help us uh, for communicate effectively and even shapes the world around us. Okay, now we are going to the types of writing. Yeah, let's define into the different types of writing. There are many, but we will focus on four key categories. Yeah, the first is narrative writing. This is storytelling. It involves characters, a plot, and conflict. Things like novel, short stories, or even personal anecdote. And this narrative writing, the goal is to engage the reader emotionally. Yeah. So the second is descriptive writing. This is all about painting a picture with words. It's use vivid imagery and sensory detail to create a strong impression on the reader. Yeah. Examples like poems, travel writing, or character description. And then the goal for from descriptive writing is to evoke feelings and create a memorable. Then the third is expository writing. This is about explaining and informing. It's factual and objective, providing clear explanation and information. The example is like essays, textbooks, news articles, and etc. So the goals from expository writing is to educate and provide understanding. And then the last or the fourth is persuasive writing. This is aims to convince the reader of a particular viewpoint. It uses evidence, logic, and emotional appeals to sway the reader's opinion. Yeah, like advertisement, opinion pieces, are pieces. And the goals is to persuade and influence. Okay, now we are going to the next. This is the writing process. No matter what types of writing you are doing, there's a process involved. Think it like building a house. You will start laying bricks without a blueprint. So this is the five keys stage in writing. The first is pre-writing. Yeah. This is the planning phase, brainstorming, outlining, researching, all the groundwork that ensure your writing has a solid foundation. Then the second is drafting. Yeah, this is where you get your idea down on your paper. Yeah, don't worry in this step. Don't worry about perfection at this stage. Yeah, just focus on getting your thought following. And then the third is revising. This is about a big picture change. Are your idea clear or is the structure logical? Yeah. This stage focus on content and organization. And number four is editing. This is where you polish your writing, yeah, like a grammar, punctuation, or spelling. This is a fine tuning stage, yeah. And then the last is publishing. Yeah, this is the last stage, yeah. This is sharing your finished work. Yeah, this could be submitting an assignment, posting a blog, or even simply reading your workload. Okay, yeah? So the conclusion from our material today, um, a foundational overview of English writing. Yeah, you must remember because writing is a skill that improve with practice. Don't be afraid to experiment, to try different style. Yeah, and to learn from your mistake. Don't be afraid. Yeah, each lesson in this series will build upon the fundamentals. Yeah, so you must practice more for writing for become better in writing. Okay. Okay, student, that is our material today. Before I close our meeting today, we will review again. I will ask to you about what we have learning today. I have explained just now. The first is about the types of writing. First, yeah, there are four types of writing. The first is narrative writing, and then the second is, yes, descriptive writing, and then number three is expository writing, and then the last persuasive writing. So I will ask to you, what is the goal of persuasive writing? Very good, to persuade and influence. So what the goal of expository writing? Yes, expository writing is for educate and provide understanding. Okay, next. Now we going to writing process. There are how many writing process that I have explained just now? There are five. Yeah. The first is pre-writing. The second is drafting. Then the third is revising. And then the fourth is editing. And then the last stage is publishing. Okay, very good. Don't forget ya. Okay, and before I close our meeting today, in every meeting I will give you some task, yeah. Because this is the first meeting, I will give you task one. So in the first task, I will give you very easy task, yeah. You just um, make a reflection from our meeting today, and you can also summarize or resume our material today, or what you get from our meeting today. Yeah, you can resume it. Please write on your Microsoft Word, and you can submit it on Google Classroom. The deadline is in the next weeks before our class meeting. Okay, student. So because this is online class, and when you don't understand about the material, you can repeat again the video. You can watching again the video until you understand about the material. Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much for your attention. If you there are any question, you can ask in commenter in Google Classroom. I will answer it. Thank you very much, and don't forget to do your task. Okay. Thank you very much. And finally, I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.